You will learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations, listening and speaking skills, and expressions that are commonly used in every day. This will also be a great opportunity for you to practice and improve your English. Listening and speaking skills. So listen carefully. Hi, I'm Naila. I am high school. Let me tell you about my day. From the moment I wake up until I go back to the bed when I open my eyes in the morning. Then I grab my phone to turn off the alarm. Time to get ready for school. Downstairs in the kitchen, I join my family for breakfast. We talk about our plans for the day. While munching on caramel and toast, after that, I grab my backpack and then I head out to catch my school bus. School is always bustling with the students chatting and teachers greeting us. I attend different classes like maths, science, history, and English during breaks and sometimes help each other with schoolwork. Lunchtime is the best part of the day. I sit with my friends in cafeteria eating and laughing together. Afternoon classes pass by and when the final bell rings, it's the time to head home. Back home, I relax for a bit. Maybe watch some TV or listen to the music. But then it's time for homework. I tackle assignments and study for tests. Sometimes asking my parents for help if I get stuck, everything or when I pursue my hobbies. I love drawing and playing the guitar, so I spend some time doing that. Dining with my family is always enjoyable. We talk about our day and share stories. As the day winds down, I take a relaxing shower. Then I snuggle up in bed with a book or my mobile phone. I chat with my friends, read stories, or watch funny videos until I start feeling sleepy. Finally, I turn off the lights and close my eyes and drift off to sleep, excited about the adventures and learning that tomorrow will bring. Let's learn some new vocabulary words and understanding, tackle to confront or deal with something delicately. Then the next word is about bustling, filled with busy or lively activity. That is called bustling. And then the next word is drift off. Begin to slowly fall asleep. Glimpse, a quick or brief look at something. Bustle, a lively atmosphere. Relaxing, making something feel calm and at ease. Repetition is the key to success. Hopefully, you have learned some new vocabulary words and it was a good activity. Kindly share your views through comment section, like, share and subscribe my channel.